Hello there, Mr. Don De Leon. Sorry po for the delay, medyo busy lang po kahapon. So ito na po yung request niyo. This is a blue face hatch of Harold Brown. The father is an import from my friend who shared it with us long time ago na po. Itong Harold Brown na blue face has been with us for quite some time na. Ito po siya, again, we're only introducing mga 8 to 9 months old lang po na stag. Pero tignan nyo po yung katawan, no? Buong buo, solid as a rock, no? So, ang ganda po nito, very healthy. In other words, pag ganitong age and their body is full, it means to say they grew up very healthy. Hindi po yan nakatikim ng mga sakit. At saka mountain bred po ito. Itong blue face hatch ito, Mr. De Leon, his leg band number is 350, no? Ito po, lagay natin siya. Sorry. Ito po, Mr. De Leon, tingnan nyo yung kanyang station. Ang taas po siya, high station, balansyado, very thick ang kanyang mga buntot. And give me 2 months po, I guarantee you, hahaba na po yan yung buntot niya. Ito naman po yung pares na gusto niya ipares sa blue face claret. Very nice combination, sir. Agree ako po sa inyo. You will produce a very good na manok because you have the blood of a hatch and you have a blood of a claret, which is I strongly recommend. Claret could be your base bloodline. Lemons could be your base bloodline. In general po, they nick very well with most bloodlines. Kasi dati po, yung mga clarets are very short, no? Like, pareho din yung lemons. Kaya dati, kailangan ipares mo sila sa high station ng mga manok. But since now, na-improve na namin yung mga stations ng mga clarets and lemons namin, you can blend it with any bloodline, Mr. De Leon. And the leg band number of this is 1211. The pullet, the leg band number is 1211. Give me a call and shout out, Mr. De Leon, if you like this pair that I have chosen for you. Ingat po tayo.